Looking to upgrade your accounts receivable payment skills? Then you need to watch this tutorial.
This tutorial will include the following: adding a post-dated check, adding grouped customers, and lastly, adding a group payment from a customer.
Welcome to the final tutorial of the accounts receivable payments series. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to setup and we're going to look for AR post dated checks. And there we have it. I'm just going to click on it. I'm just going to now maximize my screen. On customer, we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off. Then we're going to tap off to select the date. Remember, with post dated checks, we're choosing a future date. So it can be today's date. So this is our date on the system. So we're going to look for a future date. Okay, perfect. Then on check, we're going to enter our check number. We're going to tap off to enter the amount. Then we're going to tap off to now enter the narration. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on the save icon. Okay, and we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a post-dated check. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to setup and we're going to look for AR group customers. Perfect. I'm just going to maximize my screen. The AR group customer maintenance will pop up on your screen. Then on primary customer, we're going to enter the primary customer's code, which is 1. And we're going to then tap off to now enter our company or select from one of our companies. Then here we're going to enter the secondary customer's code, which is 2, and we're going to then tap off. Then we're going to tap off to enter the second customer. Again, we're going to select one of our companies. So select. Then we're going to tap off to enter the customer code. There we go. Then we're going to click on the save icon. Then we're going to close this program. And that's how you add grouped customers. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed. So we are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing and we're going to look for AR group payment run. And we're going to click there. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On payment run, we're going to enter our payment run code. Is GP02. Then we're going to tap off. On primary customer, we're going to choose the primary customer for this group payment. So we're going to search and our primary customer, actually let me just type it in. Then we're going to tap off. Okay. So as you can see, the bottom pane has been activated with the primary customer. But before we even go there, I want to come to the payment amount to enter the total amount, payment amount for this transaction. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to come all the way to allocated amount and we're going to now enter the amount that is allocated to this customer or for this customer. Then we're going to tap off and we're going to click on the hyperlink allocation. Then we're going to click on add invoice. Then we're going to click on the magnifying glass to search for an invoice, and I'm going to select invoice 001005 for 5,000. Then we're going to click select, and we're going to come to the gross amount to enter 5,000, and we're going to then tap off, and we're going to then close this window. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on add company. We are now allocating the second amount to a secondary company. So the secondary company of this primary company will be one of these. So we're going to select 101. Then we're going to allocate 11,000 to this customer. Then we're going to tap off. Then we're going to click on the hyperlink allocation. Then we're going to click on add invoice, and we're going to scroll for an invoice. So we're going to click on the magnifying glass, and we're going to select this invoice 001002. We're going to click select. Then we're going to enter the gross amount. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to then close this program. Okay, again we're going to enter the last amount for this group payment. So we're going to click on add customer. Then we're going to again select the customer, another secondary customer. Then we're going to click on select. Then we're going to allocate the remaining amount of 24,000, which is 8,000. Okay. Then we're going to tap off, and we're going to click on the hyperlink allocation. Then we're going to click on add invoice. Again, we're going to scroll for an invoice. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass. Then I'm going to select this customer invoice 001004, and I'm going to click on select. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to enter the gross amount. Okay, then we're going to tap off, and I'm going to close this window. Perfect. So now that we have entered all the amounts, we're going to then click on the save icon. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to click on the downward arrow on authorize, and we're going to click approve. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to click on post if we want to post this group payment right now. So I'll just post it. Perfect. Okay, as you can see, it has posted successfully. Then we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a group payment. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.